Why did Mother Teresa begin her Nobel Lecture with the prayer of Saint Francis of Assisi? Mother Teresa started off her Nobel Lecture with the prayer of S. Francis of Assisi. The prayer of Saint Francis was composed 400 to 500 years ago, but it fits very nicely for us even today. It is very beautiful and deeply inspiring. It always surprised her, and she and her companions prayed it daily after Holy Communion. The prayer reminds us that people had the same difficulties that we have today. It talks about peace, love, forgiveness, hope and joy. It emphasizes the need of love instead of hatred, forgiveness instead of wrong, harmony instead of discord, truth instead of error, faith instead of doubt, hope instead of despair, light instead of shadows, and joy instead of sadness. Mother Teresa wanted to spread the message of peace and love, so she started off her Nobel Lecture with this prayer of peace.